Good morning. Yesterday I noticed that I had let my copyright date expire in my footer. So I scrolled down here and I was like, uh-oh, this is 2021. Um, so I realized what I should have done is made that date dynamic. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to get started, we're going to edit our footer. So we'll want to click on Edit with Elementor and then select Edit Footer or whatever the name you use for your footer is. So once this loads, we're going to go ahead and pop down here and grab another heading widget, drop that right in here. So this is a little bit hard to read, so I'm just going to edit that, and I'm going to go to Style and select from my text color one of my global colors, this blue. Then I'm going to jump back over here and I'm going to say this is an H5 so that it's a more reasonable size. Now, what we're really wanting to do is make sure that this date changes automatically year after year and I don't have to deal with it anymore. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to click on this dynamic tag. We're going to scroll down and select current date and time. So once we do that, what we want to do is even more customization. So we'll click on the wrench and we'll select the date format we want. Now we don't want to see the month and the year and the time. All we want is the year. So we'll select custom and then use a capital Y, which will show us the whole year. Now, to make it really cool, we're going to click on advanced and type in the text that we want before and after that little dynamic piece we just dropped in. So before, we want it to say copyright space. So there you see it coming. Nice, huh? And in the after box, we're going to say space pipe all rights reserved, and then another pipe, which is that little, it's just a straight line that goes up and down. And then we're going to put in, I'm going to put in Circle City Web Design, which is the name of my business, but you can put in whatever you want, whatever verbiage works for you or your client for their copyright. So we're going to jump over here. I'm going to get rid of the old one, update, and I just want to view the page. I always do that to make sure that my changes took and look the way I want them to. I really prefer to look at the entire page, so I'm just going to pop around a little bit. And so now I can see my whole page again. We're going to slide down here and just verify that my copyright date looks correct. That's how you make a dynamic copyright date. If you enjoyed this, I'd appreciate it if you'd help me out and click the subscribe button. Thank you.